Welcome to Learner's Planet, our problem solving session 2 of structure of atom. In this session we will be solving few questions related to photoelectric effect and also about the electrons, the discovery of electrons and the masses of them. So let's start our session. So to start with, we have got a very simple question here, students. It is cathode rays are produced when the pressure in the discharge tube is of the order of. So what is the pressure of discharge tube when the cathode rays are produced? Do you have any idea? It should be low pressure and the value is 10 to the power minus 2 to 10 to the power minus 3 mm of Hg. The pressure should not be high. Why it should not be high, students? Because if the pressure is high, the pressure inside the discharge tube should be low, right? Now the second question here is cathode ray tube is used in. So do you know where it is used? Do you have any idea? It is used in a television set, right? It is this ratio receiver. It is actually a receiver, signal receiver, right? A radio receiver it is. So where it is used in television sets. We have got a cathode ray tube there, right? Now through that cathode ray tube, what happens that this television picture tube is a cathode ray tube, right? Now in this tube, your picture is produced and that picture you can very well see on the television screens which are coated with some specific material. Now can you tell me any other place where it is used? Your cathode ray tube is also used in fluorescent light tubes, right? Now those light tubes, they are coated with some suitable material. Because of that, it is producing some visible light, right? How it is producing? Your fluorescent ray tube on the inner side is coated with some material. Now to that material, what happens is the cathode rays strike, and after striking that material, they are producing some visible light. So where is this cathode ray tube used? It is used in a television set. It is obviously not used in compound microscope or Van de Graaff generator. So this was very simple question to start with. Now let's take up the next question here. Now it is in the discharge tube. In the discharge tube, emission of cathode rays requires, what it requires? First of all, we know that the pressure should be low. And the potential, what is the potential difference applied there? It is 10,000 volts. So, what would be our correct answer? It should be high potential and low pressure. Let's take up our next question over here, students. It is a numerical question now. It is the energy of a 700 nanometer photon is. How we will find out the energy, students? Do you know the expression for energy? Your energy is equal to h nu. What is nu here? Nu is the frequency. And what is this nu? Is the frequency of the photon given here? No. Now what is the frequency equal to? It is C by lambda. What is C, students? C is the velocity of light. And what is its value equal to? It is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now what is lambda? Lambda is the wavelength. Wavelength of light. Now what is it? Sorry, the wavelength of the photon. Now what is the wavelength of photon given which is being emitted? The wavelength of photon is equal to 700 nanometer. Now what is the value of H, students? H is equal to 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Now can we calculate the energy of a photon? Now your energy is equal to H, that is 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 multiplied by 3 into 10 to the power 8, and that is divided by what? That is divided by lambda, that is 700. Can we use the nanometer term here? No. 700 into 10 to the power minus 9 meters. Now if you do the calculations, you will get your what? You will get your energy. Now this energy is equal to 2.8 into 10 to the power minus 18 joules, because we have taken the value of H in joules. Now see here, in what values it is given? It is in electron volts. Now what is the conversion factor? 1 electron volt is equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So that is your 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule is equal to 1 electron volt, or 2.8 into 10 to the power minus 18 joule will be equal to, I think this should be 19 only. So there will be some calculation here, and let's calculate this. It is minus 19. Now students, it would be what? It would be 2.8 into 10 to the power minus 19. I think there is some calculation error. So minus 19 divided by what? Divided by 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19. So now let me calculate. That is 2.8. Right. Now this is the right thing. And what is the energy equal to? It is 1.7 electron volts. If you divide this, you'll get the answer.